Are you struggling to get the results you want in your affiliate or online business and can't seem to work out why? I've been doing a 12-step to success online series, and in this training I'm giving you the 5th step of the 12 and the first of the planning phase. This is the element that everything else is going to be based upon, so stick with me. Hey, Andrew Woodward here, and in this channel we focus on the best online marketing strategies that grow your wealth, build a long-term business and allow you to work from anywhere using nothing more than your laptop and a Wi-Fi connection. If you've missed any of the previous steps, make sure you go back and watch them after you've watched this one, of course. And I've left the link up there so that you can do that. And make sure you subscribe and click the little bell to get notified when I release a new video, including the next steps in the 12-step process. In this video, I'm going to share the 5th step of my 12 steps to online success, and the first planning phase step that everything in your business is going to be based around. So the 5th step to online success is all about providing value. To achieve success online, most people think all they need is a big email list or a huge following on social media, and they chase these perceived winning concepts with blind gusto. The problem, however, is that neither a huge email list or social media following will deliver you the financial success you desire if there's no value in what you have to offer. It's a bit of a vicious circle. Without the value, you won't get the big email list or social media following. And no matter what you do, and having the big list or social media following won't get you the financial results you want if you aren't getting any value, or they aren't getting any value from you. So value is a big deal, right? Everything you do, whether it's a free resource or a paid one, you have to be providing value to your lead or customer. Like I said, it's what everything else in your business is going to be based around. Value, value, value. So let's have a look at some different ways that you can provide value to your audience to help you grow your email list and your customer base, which is exactly how you're going to generate the financial returns that you want from your business. And the thing with value that I see a lot of people struggle with is that they feel they need to throw everything they know into a resource to convince their audience that it has value. The thing is, you only overwhelm your audience if you try to give them too much. So the best way to manage this is to think in threes. Generally, you want to give them 3 concepts or 3 things that they can take away from your content. In this case, less is more when it comes to value and perceived value. Okay, so here are 7 ways you can provide value to your audience in your content. The first is to help them with better clarity on something related to your subject. So if you're in the affiliate marketing space like I am, clarity could come from the type of products or services to promote, or it could be the best way to structure a funnel, or it could be the best way for them to get started in affiliate marketing. Giving your audience clarity is a great way to provide value. With so much information out there and so many different opinions and options, being able to provide your audience with clarity is high in the perceived value chain. The second way to provide value is to help your audience identify their avatar or their niche, or both. This is an area that a lot of people struggle with. Who are they talking to? Who is their ideal audience? And if you can help them define these important elements of an online business, then the value is really high. The third way to help an affiliate or online marketer with value is to show them how to create their core offer. Once again, creating an irresistible offer is key to getting the financial results you desire. So if you can show them how to create an offer, and even better, how to create multiple offers that ascend their buyers as they buy each new offer, you are onto another of the holy grail elements when it comes to providing value. The fourth way to provide value is to give your audience a way to overcome overwhelm. Like I mentioned already, there's so much information available in the online space. So one of the things you and most probably your audience are feeling is overwhelm. It's like, how do I do this? Which product or service do I need? What will work best for me in my business? And how do I do ads, organic marketing, solo ads? The list goes on and on. There are so many aspects of online marketing and business that result in most people giving up and quitting. They feel it's too hard. So if you can provide a resource that helps remove overwhelm, the value again will be very highly regarded. The 5th way to provide value is to assist your audience to be organised. We live in a society where everything is just a click away. Yet most of the time our stuff is so disorganised that it isn't just a click away. Unfortunately for most of the clients I work with, their important links, files, pages, resources and courses are all over the place. Showing them how to get more organised is a really simple thing to do, yet it has such a high perceived value because you can show them how to save time, the most precious resource we have. A simple checklist or cheat sheet that shows how to be more organised during the day with your time, or how to organise your files, or how to store your links. All of these are simple to create but highly effective and valuable. The sixth way I'm going to suggest you can provide value relates to process. As an affiliate or online marketer, providing a resource that is a process of how to do an important aspect of the business is another great value tool. One of the process tools that I'm seeing a lot of at the moment relates to organic marketing. There seems to be a lot of people out there providing their process for organic marketing. And before that, it was Facebook ads, and before that, list building. You could pick any part of your business and document the process you use for success and package that up in any manner of deliverables, and it would be highly valuable to those working to achieve results in that area of affiliate or online marketing. Now, the final way to provide value to your audience is in the form of systems. And if I was going to rank these 7 options I've outlined for you here today, systems would be up toward the top, if not the top, in terms of perceived value. If you can provide your audience with a system to follow that gets results, you're on a real winner. So think about how you do something, and if you could create a system around it, boom, you have a real winner. Now, when it comes to these resources, you could provide any manner of different forms for your content. It could be ebooks, cheat sheets, short courses, detailed courses, a membership, or one-on-one coaching, group coaching, or simple workflow diagrams. The options are many and varied and will depend on whether it's a free or paid resource. One of my favourite options at the moment is in the affiliate space is to provide a free course that's in high value demand and simple to consume. I know that my audience will get a lot of value from it and that it will create value to them. So that then means they'll look for more from me when they need it. Okay, I hope today's video was helpful for you and gave you some ideas on how to create and provide value to your audience so you can grow your business and the financial rewards of your business effectively. If you're looking to get started in affiliate marketing and you want some personal support to get set up for success, to nail the 12 steps and be on your way to the online income that you want, then join my Inner Circle program where you can get one-on-one support over 6 weeks, a whole bunch of resources and tools that are proven to work, and be earning an online income within 30 days. Click the link in the description to schedule a free call with me and we can work on a plan to get you moving toward your goals quickly and effectively. Thanks for watching today's training. Don't forget to schedule a time with me, click the link in the description and let's have a chat. To continue to get these free training videos, make sure you click on the subscribe button and the little bell to get notified when a new training is released. It's the simplest way to ensure that you don't miss any of the good stuff and you get access to everything that I'm doing or using to grow my business so you can grow yours. And do me a favour, click the like button and leave a comment below. Let me know what you thought of this training and I'll read all the comments and reply to each one. And don't forget, to get access to the free affiliate marketing training that I recommend, click the links in the description and let's get you building your business from today. Oh, and if you want to get on a discovery call with me, you can click the link in the description to book a time in my calendar and we can have a chat.